Hi, this is Laura with Liberty Mortgage Lending Group. Welcome to our workshop, a step-by-step guide to repairing your credit. Thanks for being here, and let's get started. We're going to talk about healthy financial behaviors. In addition to knowing how to repair and build your credit, it's also very important to implement healthy financial behaviors. If you don't have healthy financial behaviors, you'll end up sabotaging your efforts to repair your credit. Here's what you need to keep in mind. Debt to income ratio, or DTI. Your debt to income ratio is your total monthly debt divided by your gross monthly income. Gross monthly income is income before taxes. For example, if you have $1,000 in monthly debt and a gross monthly income of $10,000, your DTI is 10%. The lower your DTI ratio, the better. For example, if you're applying for a mortgage, you usually need a DTI ratio of less than 43%. Most lenders really want to see it below 36. FHA allows you to go higher, up to 55% in most cases. Additionally, mortgage studies indicate that if you have a high DTI, you'll find it a lot more challenging to make your monthly payments. Watch your budgeting. A budget helps you effectively manage your finances. It helps you calculate the amount of expenses that you have every single month and then balance those against your income. If you don't have a budget, you may not have enough income to cover monthly credit payments. Remember, if you fail to plan, plan to fail. Also do comparison shopping. When you're trying to get credit, like an auto loan, it's important to shop around. Different lenders offer different interest rates and fees, and those can significantly affect your monthly payment. Compare different lenders against each other and go with the one that offers you the best deal, but don't have them all pulling credit reports. They should be able to give you rates knowing what your FICO score is based on what you tell them. Fraud protection is very important. Few things can tank your credit report, your credit score faster than fraud. If someone steals your identity, they can open up new credit accounts in your name, all of which go on your credit report. If someone steals your credit card, they can rack up thousands of dollars in fraudulent purchases and then never make a payment. It's absolutely essential that you work hard to protect yourself against fraud. Keep a close watch on your credit statements for anything that looks suspicious. If you see anything, contact the credit card issuer. Also, you may want to use an app like Credit Karma, which allows you to constantly monitor your credit report. If you see any accounts you don't recognize, get in touch with the credit bureaus as soon as possible. Be persistent and be patient. Rebuilding your credit is a process that requires persistence and patience. You have to work persistently to dispute incorrect information, catch up on past due accounts, pay down high balances, and build new credit. It is a process and you have to follow it. If you're not willing to put in the persistent work, your credit simply won't improve. Repairing your credit also takes patience. Depending on your credit history, how quickly you can bring past due accounts current, your credit mix, the age of your credit, and other factors, the process may take about a year. But don't be discouraged if things take a little longer than you expect them to. We've talked about 5 specific steps in this workshop. Examine your credit report, dispute errors, address accounts that are past due, bring down high balances, and build new credit. If you follow these steps, as well as other suggestions regarding healthy financial behaviors, you'll begin to see your credit score rise. As your credit score rises, other opportunities will open up to you as well. We'll provide you with a template for the dispute letters. The template will include the information that's important to include in your dispute. Always keep a copy of your original template, along with the copies of the letters that you mailed out. So do the work and be patient as you go, and you will be glad that you did it.